If you put banana and money in front of a monkey, monkey picks the banana because that monkey don't know that money can bring more banana. Similarly, if you put health and money in front of the people or persons, most of the people will pick the money because they don't know that health brings more money. Suppose if we are so healthy and active, we can do more work, we can achieve more, and we can get more money. But most of the people are missing that point. Suppose if we get health and income at single platform, that is the best of the best opportunity. That industry is nothing but wellness industry. That's why the next global trend is wellness. Here we have three global mega trends. The opportunity is poor nutrition. So day by day or year by year, nutrition values are coming down in the fruits, vegetables and complete food also. And aging population is increasing, and year by year unemployment also increasing. That's why I have a best solution. If you are ready to utilize that opportunity, watch the video till the end. Hello everyone, myself P. Venkat Sai, Nutrition and Wellness Coach, Herbalife Nutrition Independent Associate. Mark Hughes, founder of Herbalife Nutrition, started Herbalife Nutrition Company at the age of 23 in 1980. Doubts you might have why these products are not advertised by models like celebrities, film stars like that, and why these products are not sold across the pharmacy shops, medical shops, supermarkets, why these products are not given huge advertisements. Because this is direct selling industry, made maximum millionaires in this world. In traditional model, we have like super stockist, something like that. We have big people in that middle of the manufacturer and consumer. But this is 21st century model. Between manufacturer and consumer, only distributors we have, like associates like me. There is no all other headaches like rents, advertisement, publicities, posters to that company. That's why most of the benefits will be given to those distributors. The philosophy of the business is use where talk. Before explaining this use where talk, let me ask some questions to you. Are you searching for an independent business opportunity? Work from home, earn supplemental income, training and support provided by us. An opportunity in becoming your own boss. Who can join? Housewives, all types of professionals, retired people, employees and students. Only the condition is age should be above 18. You can set your own hours, choose who to work with. Are you looking for a supplemental income? Don't wait, start now. Call the number which is displaying here. Wanted to be your own boss. If you are an entrepreneurial person looking for a business opportunity to earn supplementary income, this could be your opportunity. We can help you to change your life. You want to look good and feel good? Yes, here health and income both are available. That means both we can achieve. Health along with income along with health. Have you answered yourself? Are you ready to continue the video? Yes, congratulations first of all for your first step. So now coming back to business philosophy, the business is simple. The business philosophy is use, wear and talk. Use means we are selling the results than the products. That's why personally it's better to use ourselves. Then we will get confidence on the products. Then we can share our results and our family results, or our friends, colleagues, whatever it is. Like if we share our personal results, the people will get more confidence on the products and on us also. That's why this is like a referral business than a sales business. And then wear, promoting products. So if we wear some branded items or buttons somewhat, people will recognize us easily. Then talk to people. Then we can talk to people, we can share our results. If our family people also consume it, then we can share their results also like that. So change your focus from making money to serving more people. Serving more people will make the money. Automatically money will come. So as a wellness and nutrition coach and Herbalife Nutrition Independent Associate, I am ready to help you to get health along with income, or to get income along with health. Both are at single platform. So I'm ready to help you to show this opportunity with investment or without investment. With full of trainings and support, we are ready to help you. Feel free to call me the display number if you are seriously interested to change your life in health and wealth. Take care of your health. Health is wealth. Wishing you all the best. Take care of yourself once again. V. Venkat Sai signing off. Thank you.